Hi guys, in this video we're going to see about Commonwealth citizenship, cooperative citizenship, dual citizenship and overseas citizenship. I'm going to explain by using a slide chart created by me. Okay, let's go to the topic. First, Commonwealth citizen. Commonwealth citizen means a citizen from a Commonwealth nation or the members of the state. Most of the countries do not treat the citizen from the Commonwealth state than foreign nations. But some countries are giving the resident for the Commonwealth citizens from the Commonwealth nation, and they give the Commonwealth citizen is a citizen for any 54 members of the state of a Commonwealth nation. They are giving the certain rights for the Commonwealth people, Commonwealth citizens, including the rights like vote to the election and serve in a government positions. Okay, let's move for the next topic. Cooperative citizenship. What is cooperative citizenship? I think so you all know about the meaning of the word corporate. It's the same like the corporate citizenship. Corporate citizenship is a term that is used to describe the contribution a business or an organization make a local community or society as whole. This contribution including one and only company's core business activity but also invest in the local community. Cooperative citizenship refers to the company responsible towards the society. Okay, let's go for the next topic, dual citizenship. Dual citizenship simply means a person who have the dual citizenship, citizen of two or more countries at the same time. It was known as the dual citizenship. The Indian dual citizenship describes all the news coverage and explain over all the issue. Please understand that clearly the Constitution of India does not allow the dual citizenship in Indian citizenship and citizenship for the foreign stimulus. Next we are going to see about the overseas citizenship in India. Overseas citizenship. First we want to know about the overseas citizenship. Overseas citizenship, it means a migration status permitting for the foreign citizen of Indian origin live and work in a Republic of India. Overseas citizenship in India. Overseas citizenship of India is a migration status permitting for the foreign citizen of Indian origin to live and work Republic of India indefinitely. The IOCI was introduced a response of demand to the dual citizenship by an Indian diaspora, particular in the developed countries. Non-resident Indian means a person from the Indian origin or the people born in Indian birth designed to for the origin who lived outside the Republic of India. According to the Ministry of External Affairs report, to the 28 million of NRIs and PIOS residents outside the India. A non-resident is an Indian citizen who resided in India for less than 182 days during the course of the present financial year, or who was going to the India who stayed outside the India for the purpose of employment. Thank you.